What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Carlotta Theresa, and I'm back again with another video. Before I get into the video, give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and comment down some videos you want to see on my channel. Right now, I decided, since everybody don't have a home studio, to give y'all a tutorial in Bandlab, because you can use it on the computer, you can use it on your phone. And everybody was like, I took a poll. Everybody was like, do YB, do YB, do YB. Now, I don't sound like YB. But I'm about to show you a tutorial on how to sound like him on Purge Me. That I won't hurt you if you don't hurt me. I'm not a rapper. I have the lyrics right here. I know the lyrics, but me rapping, I'm not really a rapper like that. I don't really say the words. But at least you're going to have the settings because it's going to be a preset. I'm going to have the link in the description to add the preset easily to Bandlab. Or if you just want to copy the settings from the video, that's cool too. So boom. Yeah, so boom. Let's go over here. So let me change this right fast. Okay, boom. So, oh wait, let me fix the computer. All right. First step number 1, go to YouTube, type in Purge Me NBA Youngboy Instrumental, and download this one. Go ahead, download this one. Download this one, right? I downloaded it. I know the song when it's playing, but I don't know the song when it's not playing. So I download that instrumental, right? Then I also went here to look at it because I don't remember it. So boom, once you download the instrumental, you're gonna go to Bandlabs. If you're not already familiar with Bandlabs, that's a whole separate video. So boom, I drag it into Bandlabs. This is the green part. And Bandlabs is automatic find a key for you in the BPM. Okay, so then you add a track, a vocal track. I added my vocal tracks already. Let me turn my mic off on OBS right fast. Had to turn my mic off on OBS because I ain't want it to be double in y'all ear. But yeah, like I was saying, you open new tracks, however many you need to do this. I'm gonna show you my preset, and y'all can add it. I don't sound like Youngboy. My voice is, and plus I'm on my actual microphone. It works through your iPhone microphone, your headphone microphone. So I'm loud as heck because I'm on my mic, and it's on the lowest setting on my interface. So if I'm screaming in y'all ear, my bad. I was just on the computer. I was like, let me do this tutorial. So let's see. First up, I guess I could let y'all hear how it sounds. Let me go to, hold on. Go. It ain't from me, urban. I drink lean out the bar. Let me stop playing. You go. I won't hurt you if you don't hurt me. I ain't working. I got my daughter upstairs. Please don't try to purge me. See, it's a little distorted because my mic is loud as hell. But if I'm farther back, it sounds better. I won't hurt you if you don't hurt me. You hear the difference? You hear that, right? Y'all hear that, right? That ain't from me, Herb. The Percocet ain't working, hoping you don't do me dirty. I drink lean out the bottle. Look at that, boy. I'm gonna try to record, but I know I can't. Let me just duplicate this. I can punch in, though. I can punch in. Y'all don't make. Hold on, let me go to this. Y'all don't make fun of me, y'all. Don't make fun of me. I ain't no rapper or singer or nothing. But I do know how to make them presets, though. Alright, let me see. Let's go back up here. Heading from here, the breakers ain't working over. You won't do me dirty. I drink lean out the bottle. I won't hurt you if you don't hurt me. I ain't worthy. Oop, I gotta put the lyrics up, y'all. But I'm gonna just play this little piece. You won't do me dirty. I drink lean out the bottle. I won't hurt you if you don't hurt me. I ain't worthy. Y'all get it? Y'all get it? Y'all get it? All right, I'm gonna try one more time. One more time. I'm gonna try one more time. Try it one more time. I can't read the lyrics. I'm sorry. I gotta actually hear the song. Shit. I'm gonna try, y'all. Headed from here. This Perkins ain't working, but you won't do me dirty. I drink lean out the bottle, so fly right from the bottom. I'm shining. I won't hurt you if you don't hurt me. I ain't seen you yet. I'm working. I got choppers upstairs. Oh shit. Oh shit. I messed up. I got the chopper on the seat. Please don't try to burn me. Say, I got the chopper on the seat. I ain't worried. I got the chopper on the seat. I ain't worried. I got my daughter upstairs. Please don't try to purge me. I love with you. That's why I put up with you. I crack myself up. Yeah. I put two songs in one. I ain't even gonna lie. Alright, let's see. Let me turn this off. See what that's about. Hold on. Headed from here. This Perkins ain't working, but you won't do me dirty. I drink lean out the bottle, so fly right from the bottom. I'm shining. I won't hurt you if you don't hurt me. I ain't seen you yet. I'm working. I got choppers up. That's funny. All right, y'all. I'm back over here. So, boom. This is the auto-tune setting, right? This instrumental is major dB. Hold on. Sorry, y'all. Important message. But yeah, like I was saying, and so the auto tune is set to 80. For me, that's what I put it as, 80. And let me move myself over here so people that's watching the video can actually see what I'm talking about. So boom. The auto tune setting is 80. And this is my effects, right? So I start off with the FBK compressor. The attack I have, let me turn the monitoring off. I'm gonna go back over here. Alright, boom. So if y'all can understand me because they had auto-tune on, I apologize. So the auto-tune is set to 80 and it's in the major key dB, right? So the first effect I have on there is the FBK compressor. The attack is 18. The release is 753. The threshold is plus 3.9. The ratio is 5 to 7. The gain is plus 6. Then I go to the noise gate. The threshold on the noise gate, I have negative 20.2. The attack, I have 30. The release, I have 493. Then I added the studio reverb. The mix is 23. The size is 7. The tone is 33. Then after that, I added the noise gate. The threshold on the noise gate is negative 67.8. The attack is 106. The release is 367. After the noise gate, I added EQ3M. The low is negative 13.6. Mid plus 4.3. High plus 13.9. Mid 2,514. Then I added a gain. The gain, I only put 0.3. 0.3. Then I added a graphics EQ, right? Which is the 100 is negative 13.6. 200 is negative 5. 400 is negative 3.9. 800 is 0. 1,600 is 5.6. 3,000 is negative 2.3. 6,000 is 0. Then I added a de-esser. De-esser threshold is negative 14.5, and the frequency is 6 thou wow. So I'm going to turn all these off, right? So y'all can see the difference. So y'all can see how it sound raw. Raw. See how it sound raw. Let me go back over here. Okay, I'm back over here monitoring it. So yeah. Only thing on right now is the auto tune. So if I turn this off, this how it sound. Headed from here. This Perkins ain't working, hoping you won't do me dirty. I drink lean out the bottle. Sound like a dying cat. Sound like a dying cat because I can't not sing. Okay, I turn on the auto tune. So this how it sound. Headed from here. This Perkins ain't working, hoping you won't do me dirty. I drink lean. So yeah, let me just put this right here so I can just do what I do. Do what I do. If y'all hear humming, that's because the mic is loud as hell. So I'm about to switch back over to my mic in OBS while I just show y'all the different presets. Alright, so I showed y'all how it sound before and all that. So I'm about to turn on the compressor, add the compressor. Headed from here. This Perkins ain't working, hoping you won't do me dirty. I drink. Then I've turned on the noise gate. Headed from here. This Perkins ain't working, hoping you won't do me dirty. Headed from here. This Perkins ain't working, hoping you won't do me dirty. Another one. Noise gate. Headed from here. This Perkins ain't working, hoping you won't do me dirty. EQ. Headed from here. This Perkins ain't working, hoping you won't do me dirty. Gang. Headed from here. This Perkins ain't working, hoping you won't do me dirty. Headed from here. This Perkins ain't working, hoping you won't do me dirty. De-esser. Yeah.
This Perkins ain't working, but you want to do me dirty,
Yeah. But yeah, y'all, that's the thing. And I'm gonna have it in the description below so y'all could just add it. I named it as NBA Youngboy Purge Me preset. So yeah. If y'all guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and yeah, I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Okay?